Namaste everyone. Thank you very much first of all for joining me in this video. Thank you very much for checking out this video and thank you very much for all the support, all the love that you're showing to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the projects which I have created using MCPI for Minecraft. Right, so let's dive into the platform and see how can we, do the projects of Minecraft using MCPI. So as you can see, my server is on, right, and I have to connect it with Minecraft, and after that I'll be running the code which I have prepared here. So everything is there in this Minecraft projects named folder. Okay, I think I haven't pushed the code yet. Let me just do it quickly. Give me a moment. So there are many projects which I'm going to show you today, and you will I'll share with you all the projects which I am going to show you in this lecture. All right. So the link of the project, the link for accessing the projects, you can find it in the description section of the video. Fine. So no need to worry about the code and all. Okay. So I'm done with making the adjustments here. I'm sharing my screen again so that you can also see it. I'm on two devices right now shooting this video. Okay, so couple of projects are there in this video, in this folder, and there are a couple of projects present in this trial-1 named folder. So I'm going to share all the projects with you in the description section in the form of a link. Let me just come on Minecraft and connect it with the server which is running on the local host. If you don't know how to run a server, how to do this setup, you can check out the video in which I have showed how can we do this setup. Right, today only I showed the video and today only I posted it. It's what's the date today? I think it's 28th of August, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so 28th of August 2022, and I shooted one video in the morning today which you can find on my channel, right? And this is the second one in which I'm sharing with you all the projects which I have prepared. Not all, but yes, couple of projects which I have prepared for you guys. Let's see how can we make the things happen through MCPI on Minecraft. So this is the initial Minecraft environment, right? This is how it looks like. You can see here, right? I don't have anything and I'm just moving forward. Okay, everything is greenish and there is water all around this island. Right, now if I will run this code over here, so, and let me just tell you one more thing that, this folder Minecraft projects in which all the folders are present, it's there on my desktop and the server is also there on my desktop. So make sure that both the folders are at the same location. Otherwise, it may be possible that when you will run the code, your server may not be able to, connect it with the Minecraft environment. It may not respond according to the requirements. So let me just show you how can you create a climbing tower first. I'm opening this project in idle shell. I hope you guys know about idle shell. So you need to have Python installed on your device. If you don't have Python, you cannot run these projects. Basically, it's Python coding which I have used. And if I will just give it a run. So I'm running this module. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so there is something which have got created. Let's see whether we can get it in Minecraft or not. Okay, so there is this nice tower which I have created through the code which I just ran. Right, the code has given me this nice tower. Okay, let me see if I can climb this tower or not. Okay, just a second. I need to just move a little bit in the right side. I'm able to climb the tower and let me reach to the top. Fine. Okay, so this whole island is now visible to me. As you can see, I'm right on the top of the tower. Right, let me change the camera's angle. So this is me playing Minecraft and you can see the player. Okay, so this is how the environment looks like, right? I hope you guys enjoying it. Let's come down, let's go down. So I need to jump. Okay. Let's check out another code. So I'm not going to explain you the coding part, right? If you want me to explain it to you, please do contact me on the number which I'll be putting in the description section of the video. Definitely, you can ask your queries on my WhatsApp number, which I'm going to provide in the description. And if I'll get the time to respond, definitely I'll respond to your queries. Let me just check out this pyramid one. Okay, so if you have to create a pyramid, so you can use this pyramid code. Okay, so it's a very simple code. Let me just give it a run. Okay, so it's giving me an error. Pose is not defined. Oh, need to comment out this line of code. Now I think I'll be able to make it happen. Okay, yeah. So I think it ran successfully. Let me check if I have a pyramid over here in this environment or not. Not yet. Let me check the server again. Oh, it worked fine, but why it's not there? Maybe it's taking time to come here, or just a second. Maybe there is water all around, so I'll have to change the location of the pyramid. So see, this is going to give us the tile on which the player is standing, right? And here we are getting the position of that tile. Then we are using that tile's position, player's position, sorry, for creating the XYZ. Then we are setting the blocks. Yes, everything is perfectly fine. Then why it's not giving us the correct output? Let me just give it a run again, because I know I checked all the codes before the video and they gave me the correct output. No problem if it is not happening right now. Maybe I'll have to give it a try after some time. No problem. I'm closing it, and I'm going to close this pyramid code also. Let's check out other codes which I have written. So if you have to create a let's say a rainbow, if you want, you can just use this rainbow code, right? You have to open this in idle shell, and then you have to give it a run. Let me check if we can get the correct output. Okay, rainbow created, and that's the location of the rainbow, right? Let me see if we can find rainbow here or not in this environment. Yes. So right on the top, you can see this rainbow is there, and it's starting from this end, and it is going. Okay, so that's a very good rainbow which has got created. Right, let me just close this window. So, this is how MCPI is used basically for controlling the Minecraft's environment. Now, if you want to create a room, so you can use this room one code definitely. And that's the whole code. Let me give it a run and see if we can, sorry, not this one. Yeah, small room with windows. So I'm going to use this for creating a small window with, lots of windows in it. Do I have it here or not? No, I am not able to get it. It says that, the window, this small room got created successfully, but why am I not able to see it? Okay, so that's the reason. If main is equals to, sorry. Name is equals to main, then what should happen? I would like to call this small xyz, right? We need to call this function over here, then only we'll get the correct output. Let me check now whether we will be able to get the correct output or not. This time also the code ran without any error, and no, we didn't got any kind of house here. Maybe I'll have to give it a try again, or else let's just get rid of this, no problem. If it is not giving me the correct output, let's try out something else. So let me come here and let's try this yellow cube code. So this is going to give us a yellow cubicle house kind of thing. Okay, the code ran successfully without any error, and this is what it has given us. So this is the yellow cube, right? You can see here, and we can enter in this room. It has a door inside, right? And that's how it looks like from inside. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see it. It's pretty dark, so maybe I'll have to come outside. Right, so this is the yellow door, yellow room, which I just created through this code. Fine. If you want to, again, I would like to tell you this thing. If you want to understand these codes, definitely you can give me a call on my WhatsApp number. Right. And that's it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to share everything in the description section of the video. You will find a link over there through which you can download all these projects, and you can also use them for creating some very beautiful projects. Right. Maybe you can use them for your office projects, college projects. Definitely these things are going to help you a lot. So this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys. Best of luck.